We're staying in Rome. It's about 6:20 in the morning and we are on our way to the train station to go to Capri.
That's not fair.
Look who's back in Germany.
We just arrived right now. This is it.
We are now arriving on time in Napoli Centrale, final destination of this journey. Thank you for traveling with Trenitalia.
From Centrale, where the train dropped us off, we took the subway to University.
Direct
in English.
University. Finally, we made it. We are on island of Capri.
Yeah, their boat.
Yeah, that was our boat. It's SNAV. This is a must. What's the best feeling? It's so good.
There's another side of you trying to break through. Able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know.
The tradition says when you go underneath the arch, you have to kiss your sweetie.
To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love with someone. Together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if this doesn't go as planned? So you don't know what it means to be loyal and kind. I know that you're not blind. Tell me what is really on your mind. You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you are.
The views at the top here are absolutely incredible. It's one of the main reasons that I wanted to come back to Capri is what's up here.
Yeah, you know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect.
That was the greatest ever. Come with me.
I look in the mirror. Who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line.
We took a sardine can up here on the bus. It was horrible. This time,
Done.
going in style, taking
It
the
was
taxi.
brutal.
Taxi!
That's what
Taxi kiss. Taxi kiss.
Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together.